What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. We got a laid back but very comprehensive video for you today. If you're somebody that's brand new to this channel, in this video, we're going to talk about how to start and grow an online business from complete scratch, whether you're an affiliate marketer, whether you don't know what affiliate marketing is, if you've got zero experience, if you've got a current business that you want to grow, you can take these concepts and ideas and apply them into your business. Now, I've been running a campaign for the past about a month and a half now, since November 20th of last year, and today is actually January 5th, 2019. And I've been able to get some pretty dang good results. And I want to show you exactly in this video how I got these results and how I plan on helping my team get these results as well. So you might be on my team, you might not be on my team. Regardless, you're going to get tons of value from this specific video. So before we dive into this content that you see here, make sure that you subscribe, you like this video if you're excited. And I want to show you guys some income proof before we get in deeper. So I'm not just speaking theory here, so you guys can actually see that what I'm teaching is facts. It works. It's worked for me. There's no guarantee, of course, as always in life, there's no guarantee of anything. There's no guarantee that this is going to work for you. I can't guarantee income by law, but what I will do in this video is I will show you what I did to generate these results that you're about to see. Sound good? So let's go ahead and let's dive in. So the first income stream I'm going to show you, this is called Easy One Up. I'm actually an affiliate marketer. I sell other people's products, so I don't have to worry about any of the fulfillment of the products. I don't have to worry about creating the sales material most of the time. I don't have to worry about doing all the legwork of setting up websites and doing all the mundane things that it takes to really build a business. I've loved affiliate marketing because of the fact that it gives me the freedom. I don't have to deal with customer service or anything of that nature. So everything that I'm showing you is a result of being an affiliate marketer. Again, selling other people's products and being able to earn profit from selling other people's products and services. Okay, so this first income stream is known as Easy One Up, and I've generated $32,700 from this one income stream, and it's also resulted in me being number 2 in the past 30 days on the income leaderboard. Okay, this is the leaderboard for the most amount of revenue of sales in the past 30 days. So again, I got started with this about a month and a half ago, and we're already hitting the leaderboards here, which is pretty cool. So that's the first income stream. I'm going to show you some other income streams, and the reason why I'm making money from multiple areas just by pretty much one effort is I'm using and leveraging a system. So what I do is I send people through the front end of the system, and then the system does all the selling and telling for me and sells all these income streams for me. So I'm not having to be a salesperson or really promote anything directly whatsoever, which I really love because I did door-to-door sales for a summer. I came back after a month because I was just terrible at it. I'd rather give people something that they already wanted versus pressure people to buy something that they weren't interested in. Okay. So if you resonate with that, then continue watching this video. So the second income stream, I was able to generate $1,029.36. And you guys can feel free to add these numbers up if you want to. I don't want to bore you too much by doing that. This income stream, the third income stream, almost $8,000. The fourth income stream, this income stream is a fairly new income stream that was just added the end of December, as you can see right here, and we're getting signups to this income stream daily. These people will actually be rebilled after about, I think it's like 14 or 30 days, and you'll start to see more commissions come through this specific account. And then this next account, you can see that I got $451 pending. I've been paid out $1,164.60. This income stream is the last income stream. My pending balance is $2,171, and I was paid out $111. So what is it that this system is promoting for me? Well, it's promoting tools and training that help people start an online business, or people that already have an online business Some of these tools help them track where their sales are coming from, helps them learn how to get more traffic, leads, and sales inside of their business. Okay, so now that I've shown you the results, let me jump to this little flow chart here so I can show you guys this in a little bit more detail. So the idea here is if you want to build an online business, number one, you are going to need a system, right? That goes without saying. You need something to sell, or you need something that's going to sell different products for you. So in my case, I'm using a system called the Funnel X ROI system. That's the system that I'm promoting right now. And so the idea here is to get traffic into this system, get eyeballs into the homepage of this specific system through what we call an affiliate link. Now, an affiliate link is a link that's coded to you. So it's basically a link within a set of numbers at the end of that link. And you're the only person in the world that has that link. So when you share it and somebody clicks on it and they go through your system and they decide to buy one of the products, you earn a commission from that. Okay. So you always need traffic coming into your system. If you don't have traffic coming into your system, then you're not going to make any sales, right? It's like opening up a store and having no customers, no visitors inside of that store. And as long as you're not promoting that store through offline methods and online methods, no one is going to come to the store. So if you're not constantly doing advertising, chances are you're not going to be that successful. So the idea in an online business is you always want traffic. You always want website visitors going into a specific sales process, okay? So once you get people into the sales process, then there's some other things that you want to do to be able to generate revenue consistently. Like I see a lot of people, they'll start an online business, they'll get a couple sales here and there, and then they become stagnant. They can't get any more results. They're wondering why, they can't generate consistent results like these other leaders that they're seeing. And it's because they're not following this process. What you need to be doing is you need to leverage your results daily. Okay. And when I say result, if you are selling a weight loss product, document what you're doing every day to lose weight and what you're learning from the product that's helping you lose weight. Okay. If you're a network marketer, document the progress in your network marketing business from a standpoint of, a customer, if a customer is looking just to buy the product. And then also if somebody's looking to become an associate or an affiliate of the product as well. So you want to be able to understand both the business opportunity seeker and the customer, and then formulate a plan around that by showing results. Like day one, here's the results that I'm getting with this skin cream, this wrinkle cream, right? That helps release wrinkles. And then day two, you show your progress. Day three, show more progress. 4, show more progress, so on and so forth. Okay. So what I do in my business, since I do some network marketing, I do some affiliate marketing, I am always showing people my results because you need to demonstrate the effectiveness of the product that you're selling by showing people that it actually works, right? And so every day, you can go back to my YouTube channel. Every day I would release a video showing people the progress that I'm making inside of the Funnel X ROI system, the results that I'm getting as a result of going through it, as a result of the training. And so what I would do is I would post these results on YouTube. I would email people the results I'm getting to my email list, and I would do that every single day. Why do we do that every single day? Well, like I said in the beginning, we need people coming into our storefront constantly, or else we're not going to have any buyers. We always need people in our store. If we don't have people in our store, then we're not making any sales. Okay. And then what I began to do to leverage my results even further is I started offering upgrades. So people that would upgrade to a certain level in one of the income streams, which was Easy One Up, I would offer them bonuses for upgrading. So I would essentially say, hey, here's a list of a bunch of bonuses that you're going to get if you upgrade to this specific level, whether it's the $500 level, $1,000 level, $2,000 level. So I would give people incentives. I would offer incentives for them to upgrade to another level. And on top of that, running promotional cycles. So I'm going to give you these bonuses for upgrading in a matter of 2 days or 3 days. So then that creates urgency and it causes people to take action a lot quicker. Obviously, like legitimate, scarcity works when it comes to sales, discounts, promotional offers, things of that nature. So what I would do is I would email people 3 times a week, letting them know that, hey, if you upgrade to this certain level at this certain time, then I'm going to give you these specific bonuses. And so that helped me create more results and more sales in my Easy One-Up business. And then what I'm going to start doing as well, just so you guys know, is I'm going to be leveraging interview calls. And this is the next stage of the process, where I take the testimonials of people on my team inside of FunnelX and Easy One-Up, and I leverage their success to create more success. So I'm going to take these calls, and you'll see them in the future. I'm going to put them on YouTube. I'm going to put them on social media, and it's going to be me talking to somebody that's brand new in the industry, that's getting results, using and following our process. And what that's going to do is going to create more social proof, and more people are going to join our team and create success. And then lastly, leveraging coaching material like this. My team actually gets the ability to leverage material just like this to generate sales and upgrades inside of their business. One of my mentors said, if you can't do it yourself, stand on the shoulders of giants. In other words, you can leverage my experience, you can leverage my expertise to build your business. So that is the outline. That is a way that you can generate more income, more sales, start your own business from complete scratch. So you're probably wondering, well, Josh, how do I implement all this stuff? I mean, this is a lot of stuff. How do I leverage bonuses? How do I create a bonus? How do I email? Like, what type of emails do I send out? I am not a part of a team. I don't have a team. So inside my team, you're going to be able to get access to a complete done for you system. I'm going to give you the emails to send out to your list. I'm going to give you the bonuses to offer to your team. I'm going to give you the products to sell, the system, the FunnelX ROI system that we use on our team to generate results. You're going to get access to everything that you need. Here's a private membership site that you're going to get access to. You're going to be able to offer your team that too as well, because you're an extension of my team, as well as a bonus page to get people to upgrade inside of your business as well. So if you want access to all these assets, if you want to start generating results like I've been able to generate inside of my business and follow this whole framework that I've outlined for you today, go ahead and click the link below in the description of this video and go ahead and get signed up, or sign up with the person that referred you to this video, and we'll see you in the next video.